Real Madrid fans, buckle up. Carlo cool as ice. Ancelotti has a new strategy that's got football Twitter buzzing louder than a stadium during an El Clasico. The mission? Integrate Kylian Mbappé without turning the defense into Swiss cheese. Let's dive into this tactical drama. 1. Formation. Flexibility. The tactical Gumby. First up, Ancelotti's formation game is on point. We're talking 4-3-3, 4-5-1, 3-5-2. It's like the man's got a Netflix subscription for formations. Need a defensive wall? Boom, 4-5-1. Want Mbappé and Vinícius in attack? Hello, 3-5-2. And if it doesn't work, we just blame the magnets. 2. Mbappé and Vinícius, the dynamic but confusing duo. Now, here's where it gets spicy. Mbappé's been tearing up the left wing at PSG, but Ancelotti's like, nah, let's mix it up. One moment, Kylian's central like Benzema 2.0, and the next, he's back on the wing. Vinícius, meanwhile, looks around like, bro, that's my spot. It's like watching two alpha lions in the same pride, majestic but chaotic. 3. Defensive adjustments, the patchwork quilt. On defense, things are creative. With injuries piling up faster than a referee's yellow cards, Ancelotti's turning midfielders into defenders. Valverde at right back? Sure, why not? Maybe next week Asensio will debut as a center back. Who needs specialists when you've got vibes? 4. Tactical philosophy, counterattacks, and chaos. Ancelotti's philosophy is a beautiful blend of possession, counterattacks, and a sprinkle of run fast and hope for the best. The plan? Let Mbappé's speed and Vinícius's dribbling wreak havoc while the rest of the team praise the defense holds. It's like a heist movie, fast, thrilling, and occasionally disastrous. 5. Player integration. The Mbappé factor. Here's the thing about managing Mbappé, it's not just tactics, it's vibes. Ancelotti's secret weapon? Charm. He's the football world's chill uncle, making sure every star feels like the MVP while subtly reminding them, defense matters too, kiddo. 6. Preparatory matches, the lab experiments. Those warm-up matches against Leganés aren't just games, they're experiments. Valverde at right back, check. Brahim Diaz linking up with Mbappé and Vinícius, double check. It's tactical alchemy, and sometimes the potions blow up. But hey, that's preseason drama for you. 7. The defensive focus, compact or chaos. And finally, the defense. Even with all this attacking brilliance, Ancelotti's message is clear. Stay compact or no post-match pizza. The team is working overtime to ensure that when Mbappé scores, the defense doesn't immediately undo the hard work. So there you have it, Ancelotti's grand Mbappé masterplan. Will it be tactical genius or a football soap opera? Only time, and the next El Clasico will tell. Let us know in the comments, is Mbappé the missing piece or just the start of a new Madrid drama? And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more football fun and chaos.